Professor Alex Neill is the Pro-Vice-Chancellor of the University of Southampton and today chaired a multidisciplinary research event about the brain and society. So, what was the essence of this debate and what happened?
I think what happened is that we saw 5 people from very different parts of the university, from School of Medicine, School of Law, from the Archaeology Department and the Psychology Department, talk a bit about areas in which they're expert, areas in which their own research is focusing, and all of it bore on the development of the brain, the ways in which the brain can be damaged, and more broadly on our nature as tribal beings and how the development of the brain has made possible and indeed been facilitated by that tribal character.
And why should we be talking about these things in the wider society?
I think we should be talking about the brain in particular, the topic that we had today, because as one of our speakers made very clear, issues around addiction, issues around diseases of the brain are just unignorable. And so the more people we've got aware of those issues, the better. Why should we be talking in this kind of interdisciplinary way? It's partly to showcase the ways in which different aspects of our work at the university really complement each other and sort of enhance the value of all of them. But also because I think in general it's good for people to see that a university is a place where we don't just have people working in silos, in little offices on their own, but it's an intellectual community. This was what was exciting about today. There was a palpable air, I think, of excitement and enthusiasm in the room at hearing about inherently interesting topics being talked about by people who were not only experts, but experts able to talk to people outside of their field.
Professor Neill, thank you very much.
You're welcome.